Hey guys, Steve Welch here, sitting in a brand new RAV4 new body style, 6th generation, 2026 and beyond. And I have a few people have asked this question about the air conditioner. So the air conditioner is saying that the back vents are not getting air. If the back vents are not getting air on your RAV4, here is your fix. All right, what you want to do is, there's a couple ways to do this, but the easiest way is to hit that little arrow that's right there. So hit that little arrow, you'll pop this up. Now on the right side over here, you're gonna see that little, people always call it the man with the box, whatever you wanna call it, but you're gonna see that. That's your smart flow system, right? So if it's on, it's cut the air off to the back. If it's off, then the air is on to the back. So if you are trying to get the air flowing to the back, it's not that hard to do. I can kind of turn this up here and you can kind of check in the back and make sure that the back's flowing real good. And it is. This one's pretty high right now, so let's go ahead and drop that down. Let's go ahead and make sure that they're both real low for us. So now I've got the air flowing. The back air, if you want to, you can see, I'll kind of put my camera right here on there. You'll be able to kind of hear probably the little blowing on there, whatever. If I do this, then what it's going to do is it's going to cut that air off, and you can see that that air is no longer blowing through the back. I don't know of a way to prove that the air is blowing or not blowing. So that's one way to do it, right? I'm going to turn this down a little bit to make sure that you can hear me. So that's one way to do it. Another way is when you're on this screen, if you don't want to hit that, you can hit options and you see where it says S flow. You can turn S flow off this way, turn S flow on this way, right? So like I said, if you pop back over here, if it is off, you have air flowing to the back. If it is on, then it is looking for a passenger in the seat, and you may or may not have air blowing to the back. If for any chance you were to have opened the back door, or if it senses weight in the back seat, it will normally turn it on, but if for some reason it doesn't, that's the way to do it. I don't know how else to kind of show you that, but that is all fun stuff with the smart flow system. It's meant to direct air on passengers. So rather than to cool the back seat, they want to cool the seat that the passenger's in. And this is every trim level of the RAV4. So if you have a RAV4 2026 or beyond, then this is going to be true for you. So if the air is not blowing, you now know why and how to fix it. Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.